Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel HK's Lab Tutorial. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about software reliability. So let's get started. So in this video we will learn about software reliability and analyze its role in software system. And there are two types of reliability models: time dependent and second one is time independent. And third one is developed reliability characteristics based on experimental data. And third one is software reliability and software design. So let's start this tutorial. Yes. So what is notation of reliability? So aims at fault-free performance of software systems. Software reliability goes hand in hand with software verification, and there is input this collection of software test results, and the goal is assess the validity of the software system and target safety critical software. So this is the reliability assessment. So first of all we test plan, then test software, then collect result of test, and you can see that arrow where that is software increment. So role of reliability in software engineering. So reliability is probably the most important of the characteristics inherent in the concept of software quality, and software reliability concerns itself with how well the software function to meet the requirements of the customer. So next one, error, fault and failure. So error cause fault cause failure. So error, human action that result in software containing fault. Human action that result in containing fault. A fault is cause for internal error. Failure. Failure and observable divergence of software behavior in execution from user needs. And the fourth one is failure intensity, the number of failures per user time, that is called failure intensity. So there are error, fault and failure. You can see that the graph for the no fault encounter for some inputs, and the big part is failure occurs when fault is encountered. So there are more basic notations: failure and observable divergence of software behavior in execution from its failure intensity, the number of failures per natural or unit time. Failure intensity is a way of expressing reliability. The probability that a given time the system of or a capability of a system function satisfactory in a specific environment. So classical definition of reliability. Software reliability is the probability that system will operate without failure under given environmental condition for a specific period of time. And we express reliability on a scale from 0 to 1. Highly reliable system will have a reliability measure close to 1, and unreliable system will have a measure close to 0. Reliability is measured over execution time so that it can more accurately reflects system uses. So goal: reliability must be quantified so that we can compare software systems. Time is the execution exposure that software receives through uses. It is usually measured in central processing unit time, execution time, calendar time, or log time. So there are characteristics of software reliability: failure primarily due to design faults. There is no very way out phenomena. Reliability is not time dependent. So the main part of software reliability is software reliability modeling. A software reliability model specifies the general form of the dependence of the failure process on the principal factor that affected time, fault introduction, fault removal, operational environment. So you can see that the curve. This is the present failure data. This is specified for present time. This is downward. You can see that it is decreasing asymptotically. Time, failure, production, fail, fault removal, operation environment. So software reliability modeling. Software systems are changed, updated many times during their life cycles. The model are good for one revision period rather than a whole life cycle. This is the graph for software reliability modeling. You can see that it is increased rate failure rate due to side effects. So basics of reliability theory. Uniform model, or if it is fixed, that is the uniform model. Exponential model, you can see that it is exponentially decreasing. First of all 1, then 0.75, then 0.25. It is decreasing exponentially over time. So basics of reliability theory. In a PDF function, the active is a probability that the component fall in given interval T1 T2 is integration T1 to T2 ft dt. For the uniform PDF on the previous slide, the probability of failure from 0 to 2 of the 1 by 5. For the exponential PDF on the previous slide, the probability of failure from 0 to 2 is 1 minus C power 2 lambda. It's a commutative density function. So it's a reliability function reflecting the complement function of failure to time 1 minus failure of time. So the basics of reliability theory from time to failure for exponential ability f is 1 by lambda, and a failure rate probability density function divided by reliability function. It is lambda. Software reliability model. In software, we want to fix the problem to have a over probability of failure after repair or a longer ti equal to ti minus 1. The quality of the growth improve over time, and we talk about reliability growth. So taxonomy, reliability, software, reliability models. So the time dependent, time independent. Time dependent time between failure, failure count, independent false reading, and equivalence classes. So time between failure independent reliability models. So reliability is a function of time between successive failure count completed over time. So you can see that these are time variable and reliability models. So the first model time between failure, Jelinski and Moranda 1972. Failure occurs at some discrete moments T1, T2, and Ti are independent. Exponential disturbed random variables. So this is a Jelinski-Moranda model. After an failure, the mean time to be computed as 1 by del and not minus n. Inference procedure maximum likelihood estimation. You can see that formulas, Jelinski and Moranda. These are the examples. We take T1 equal to 7, T2 equal to 11, T3 equal to 8. So K10 equal to 35. Also, what are the Zelensky Moranda model assumption? The software has and false at the beginning of the test stage of the code is dependent on all the failure for the failure during testing. Goal or comfort effect debugging reality model. A failure is would the probability p whenever a failure occurs. So the failure counting reliability models. And HPP is not in syllabus. So this is also model. So next video we learn about time independent software reliability model, computational software reliability. Thanks for watching.